Hi, I'm Fox 4 Chief Meteorologist Derek Beasley. You're watching your weather update here on fox4now.com. It was another day of beautiful weather across Southwest Florida. Temperatures getting a little warmer, not as much in the way of cloud cover on Monday afternoon. That allowed temperatures to get into the lower 80s, but it looks like the atmosphere is starting to change character a little bit. We're starting to get a little more humidity in the area, and we're also going to start to see a few more clouds ahead of the next storm system, which is slated to arrive here by Wednesday. Notice here across South Florida, not much to talk about, just some clouds offshore, and it's not out of the question we could see a stray shower in the next 24 hours between overnight tonight and during the day on Tuesday, but any chances for rain are going to be few and far between. Now, what we are going to be tracking, though, is the storm system, which is just getting organized back here in the Four Corners. Now, this is going to develop area of surface low pressure over portions of the Mid-South on Tuesday, and the potential is there for a significant severe weather outbreak for the northern Gulf Coast. Notice it does not include Southwest Florida, but we are looking at the Panhandle under the gun on Tuesday for the possibility of severe weather, including damaging winds and the possibility of long track, strong tornadoes, particularly in the red area here. That's a level 4 threat here for Tuesday, and there's very well may be upgraded. So if you have any travel plans up that way, particularly along Interstate 10 up towards North Florida and into the Panhandle, the potential is there for significant severe weather. Now, the reason why we're not going to see a big threat for severe weather here with this system is because the upper level energy, notice it right here, right in the vicinity of that severe weather risk. It's going to be tracking a little farther north than the systems that we had back in January that brought tornadoes to Southwest Florida. So with the energy tracking a little farther towards the north, that means that our chance for severe weather not as significant. Now, we do have a chance for some strong storms later Wednesday as the cold front pushes through the area, but right now it does not look like it'll be nearly the threat that they're going to be seeing off towards the north. Let me show you what's going to happen here on our storm control forecast. Notice how just a couple of showers trying to be painted here in South Florida, but otherwise things are just going to be partly to mostly cloudy, warm and humid here over the next 24 hours. Here comes the surface low pressure area as it really gets to organize and ramps up. So again, that severe weather threat to our north and west for Tuesday. By the time we get to Wednesday, though, the cold front is going to drag its way through the state of Florida, and that's where we could see a broken line of some scattered showers and storms along it. And it's not out of the question that a couple of those storms could be strong, but right now it looks like the best chance for more significant severe weather is going to stay well north of our area. That's certainly some good news. Here's your forecast for tonight, down to 63 degrees, partly to mostly cloudy, so very mild. And then for Tuesday, we're going to be looking at mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies. And really, depending on how much sunshine we'll see, we'll either be around 80 or hang around in the upper 70s. We'll call it around 80 to the low 80s here for Tuesday afternoon. South wind about 10 to 15. On the water, seas running about 2 feet with a south wind about 10 knots, and sunrise in the morning 6:56. Here's your 7-day forecast. And again, we'll check those chances for storms with the cold front later on Wednesday. Otherwise, it looks like as we go into your Thursday, turning breezy and cooler, highs back to around 70, lows back into the 40s here, especially as we go into the upcoming weekend. So just keep that in mind. Things getting a little cooler here across the area as we close out the week ahead of the next weekend. That's your forecast. I'm Fox 4 Chief Meteorologist Derek Beasley. Remember, you can always get your updated forecast right here on fox4now.com.